Thinking about diving into the world of Lemon8, but wondering if it's actually safe? Let's get right into it. First up, data privacy. Like most social media platforms, Lemon8 collects user data. This includes your browsing activity, the content you engage with, and potentially your location. Check Lemon8's privacy policy. Understand exactly what data they gather and how it's used. Now, let's talk security. Lemon8 employs security measures to protect your data from unauthorized access. Look for things like encryption for data in transit and at rest, and secure authentication methods. Next, content moderation. Lemon8 utilizes content moderation systems to filter out inappropriate or harmful content. However, no system is perfect, so it's essential to be aware of potential exposure to content you might find objectionable. User policies are also very important to check. Lemon8 has community guidelines and terms of service that outline acceptable user behavior. Violations can lead to account suspension or termination, and these policies should be read to fully understand appropriate behavior on the app. Finally, potential risks. Phishing scams, fake profiles, and exposure to misinformation are all potential risks on any social media platform, including Lemon8. Exercise caution when interacting with unknown users. Always verify the information you come across before sharing it. By understanding these factors, you can make an informed decision about whether Lemon8 is right for you. Stay safe and happy scrolling.